Good day everyone, it's me Leoren Perecho from B-Scream 2A. I will discuss and illustrate on how to locate the delta, core, and 8 general types of fingerprint. The core is a center part of fingerprint where ridges converge. Ang core is a center. Mo ni siya ang core, center sa imong ridges ay sa imong kanang fingerprint center like kani. Mo ni ang center. The next one is delta. Delta is an area in fingerprint where the ridges diverge. Then ang delta, mo ni ang delta. Kani mo ni siya. Like mura siya nakaway. Mo na ang delta. Okay, next, let's discuss and illustrate the 8 general types of fingerprint. The 8 general types of fingerprint are radial loop, ulnar loop, plain whorl, central pocket loop whorl, double loop whorl, accidental whorl, plain arc, tented arches. The first one is radial loop. Radial loop, it is one type of fingerprint pattern in which ridges run its direction to the radius bone or to the thumb. Mo ni ang radial loop. So as you can see nga kana iyang ridges line kay makit padong sa thumb. No. Ang iyang kon ani, ang located niya ani kay nasa right hand. Na dinhi. Oh. The next one is ulnar loop. Ulnar loop, it is one type of fingerprint pattern in which the ridges flow toward the ulnar bone or little finger. So guys, mo ni ang ulnar loop, no? Mo ni iyang delta. So ang iyang recurving line ana kana recurving ridges, recurving line, no, padong sa little finger or pinky finger, no, mo na yung ridges and located na siya sa left hand na siya. And the next one is plain whorl. Plain whorl is a fingerprint pattern which there are 2 deltas and in which at least one ridges makes a turn through one complete circuit. An imaginary line drawn between the 2 deltas must touch or cross at least one of the circuiting whorl ridges within the pattern area. This is the example of plain whorl, no? 2 ridges and plain whorl. The next one is central pocket loop whorl. Means the fingerprint pattern which for the most part of a loop but which has a small whorl inside the loop ridges. Mo ni ang central pocket loop whorl. Have 2 ridges. 2 ka ridge. Then mo ni ang central loop whorl. Mo ni central loop whorl. Makaingon mo loop kay kani loop the whorl dayon. Central loop whorl na 2 ka ridges. And the next one is double loop whorl. A double loop whorl is a pattern consisting of 2 separated and distinct loop formation. One of the loops surrounds or overlaps the other, also called composite pattern, like the central pocket loop whirl. So, morning double loop whirl. When we say double loop whirl, have two separated formation. So, muna ang loop number 1. Kani loop number 1. And loop number 2. Muna siya. Muna siyang loop number 1 ang nakaingon nga distinct loop. Pasabot distinct loop kaning walay nakadikit miskan isa. Kuan gina sila kana simbuwag mo gitawag nga double loop whirl. Muning 2 deltas. Kaingon 2 deltas. The next one is accidental whirl. Accidental whirl is a pattern which combination of 2 or more different types of pattern except in the plane arc. So, mo ni ang accidental whirl. Kaingon nga combination of 2 or more different type of pattern. No? Mo nang gitaw siya accidental kay kani mo ni ang whirl. Yes, whirl. And then mo ni ang loop. Mo ni siya ang loop. Kana mo gitawag nga accidental whirl because combination of 2 or more different types of pattern. Plane arc is a fingerprint pattern in which the ridges enter on one side of the pattern and flow towards the other side with a rise at the center with not more than one of the 4 essential requisites for loop pattern and with no recurving ridges, no angular formation, and no upward thrust. So, mo ni ang plane arc, no? As you can see nga makita niyo nga continuous flow lang siya. Continuous flow. Plane whirl. Sa inyo nakita nga slight upper. Pa-upper siya, marag pa-vulkan. No? Pero plane ragid na siya. Pero lahi po tong loop kay pag ang loop na may patalinis diha. Kung paana palinis. Kani plane lang gid siya. Tented arches is a variety of arc family, but their ridges formation are not simple as those of the plane arc, also considered transitional pattern between a plane arc and a loop. Ang tented arches murag pon siya og plane arc. Plane arc, yes, murag siya og plane arc pero naay sulod nga ang iyang sulod naay upthrust, naay angle 90 degree angle. Muna siyang upthrust. One of the example of tented arches. And that's all for today. I hope you have learned something and thank you for watching. Bye bye.